Okay, we're now in Hat Yai, Thailand. We stayed in, I don't know, some hotel there, yeah, there. So now we're gonna go to the waterfalls and to the national park. So currently we have behind us some food vendor. We have a random cow walking in the back. There he is. And then you have a like super badass dog that I'm gonna show. This dog here, he's not moving at all. And he's like already the whole time sitting in the middle of the road. Okay, we're getting closer, So the ride was good, it's not too bumpy. So we are almost at Hat Yai, the national park. So we're gonna go pay our entry fee and then we'll go into the mountains. As you can see, I think the nature will be nice. Yeah, I can lose some weight. I'm getting fat. Do I get fat? Am I a fat man? That's not good. It's of course for traveling a lot and working a lot in Malaysia, but yeah, we're almost there. Let's see how it goes.
When I was lost, just another day and I needed you most.
We made it. We made it to Hat Yai Waterfall Park, National Park, and we're already taking the stairs up, and it's still a trail, but here it stops, and we're starting to go into the jungle. I'm again accompanied by Singapore's most wanted expert in wild traveling. We're in Thailand, the most desolated place and whole of Southeast Asia. Along goes through now, but people down the wall. What? Oh yeah. Curly. Oh my god, I already ordered it. No, it's not here, but we're gonna go for the place. Boom. Be careful for your head. We're trying to find our way here. The way into the jungle. Okay, we're still walking, we're still exploring where to go. But a quick shout out to Helmut Matthijs from Belgium, one of our loyal followers and one of our fellow hikers. He's an expert in surviving in Singapore, in the middle of Singapore. He has a tremendous amount of experience in heartlands as Choa Chu Kang. He has conquered woodlands. He's the one that also pointed out when we went to our previous vlogs that you can still see here on top, right? I'll put a link here. He pointed out that the little balls in the beach of where was it? Bintulu?
Yeah.
Is it Bintulu? I think it was Bintulu, when we had the beach full of little sand balls.
Yeah.
He's the one that pointed out that actually these crabs do that overnight, and they actually make with their salivary, they make like these little balls. So all these balls represent some crabs, so that's why the whole beach was full of crabs. So now you guys know that. Now I know this, and this says please follow the path. The path there or there? What's this? Okay, let's follow the path.
But you would understand if I was fragile in your hand. You looked away when I was lost, just another day and I needed you most. Running for my life, nobody's here to hold me tonight. Running for my life, nobody's gonna make this
Okay, we're not even halfway, but we're somewhere, and I stumbled on this rock formation. But it sounds so hollow. I'm actually wondering if it's not dangerous, because like it's very steep and Chloe doesn't dare to come here. I kind of want to go straight. It's really weird that this is sounding so hollow. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna take my bag and go back to Chloe and see where we can go now. We are at the waterfall! Finally at the waterfall. It starts raining a bit, but I think it's raining a bit as well. Waterfall rain. I think it's still a bit cloudy, getting clouder, but it's amazing. It's an amazing view. We have the GoPro with us, so we're gonna go into the water soon. We need to be very careful because very slippery, very slippery. So yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing place.
in the shadow, You shot my conscience, flew up to the sky. Are you still giving? But now I'd ask you why.
I found my stick back. I lost my stick earlier, and here it is, one level down. Ow! Ah! And my stick back. Woohoo! We have our stick back. Cool. But yeah, we're still at the waterfalls. Chloe is there. Chloe is still there. She's finding her way here. So yeah, really nice, really beautiful. That's the top. We're not going to go to the top as the weather keeps changing. It keeps like mithering and drizzling. So let's not go too much deeper and higher. This is already an amazing view on the forest of Thailand. This is all forest. Yeah, let's go explore a little bit more. Okay, we got out of the water. We had to rinse off the worms, or I don't know what's in the water, but we're going to eat some bread now with Nutella that we smuggled from the hotel, and then we will go down and see if we do something else still. Okay. What are you getting?
Tom yum soup. Oh my god, it's really spicy.
You like it?
It's really spicy actually. Yes.
There is some. You can do some herbs in it. Did you like it in Thailand? What do you like about Thailand?
The food.
And the what are we getting, Chloe?
Spicy Tom yum soup.
What's that?
Some fruit salad. That's really even order.
What's that?
Papaya salad.
Oh my god, it's my tongue is burning.
Even I cannot eat it.
That guy handles spicy better than you.
Yeah. I'm the Asian here.
Okay, we are now in the floating market, at the floating market scenery. So basically, So basically what people do here is they sell all their kinds of foods and drinks on a boat, and then you have to get the food. So we only got some pad thai just now because a little bit earlier we actually ate. So pad thai is a noodle with seafood, sometimes chicken, some tofu, some fried egg, some bean sprouts. Let's do a taste test. Chloe, you go
Squeeze
first.
the lemon first.
You want chili on it?
Yeah.
Okay, you do a taste test. The taste test is coming.
Not bad.
Good or bad? How much?
Acceptable.
How much? How much stars? Oh my god.
I would say
Random dog.
7.
7. That's a 5 for me probably. I'll take a test. Still the night market here, so we'll find maybe some snack for tonight, but I don't think we'll spend too much time.